So what is a resource quota? So a resource quota is a policy object in Kubernetes that sets a hard limit on the uses of resource within a namespace. It controls the things like number of pod, number of VCs, number of VCs we have not discussed yet, number of CPU and memories, number of config maps, secret and services, which we haven't discussed yet. But for a sake of idea, we'll take an example of pod and CPU and memory. So think it's like internet plans. So if you have bought an internet plan of 100 GB and that means that is used, then you try to use more, the provider blocks. In Kubernetes, the namespace is considered like the same, and the resource quota is a data cap. So why do we need it? So to prevent overuse of the resources within the team and allow fair sharing of resources amongst the team. So good way to practice with the namespace. How does it works? So we can create a resource quota inside a namespace, and Kubernetes checks all resources in that namespace. If a new pod, services or anything exceed that the resource, it rejects. So I'll create resource quota for namespace dev.yaml. So I'll copy paste. So here kind is resource quota and name is dev quota and namespace is dev. So it is inside the dev only, and here I will reduce it to 2, it to 1 only, and request limit request CPU is 2, I will it to 1, and memory is 1 GI, limit CPU is 1 and 1, and config map, and this won't care because we are not using it. So I'll wq escape wq and save. K apply -m. Sorry, we have not created the namespace. K create ns dev. So the namespace is created. Now create K apply -f rq. So resource quota is created. K get resource quota. Sorry, not allowed because default namespace we haven't created yet. So dev namespace. So we will see the information. I'll describe it also. Are limit and used. So it is the system a config map. So you are seeing it here, but control L. So K get all hyphen K get. I'll copy one YAML file from the kubernetes.io page and I'll paste it here, and I'll reduce this so that I can show you wq and k describe resource hyphen and dev. So I'll create a resource quota. So I'm creating one pod. Oh sorry, pod we have not delete pod high priority. Actually we need to edit for that vi pod.yaml for namespace dev. So wq, and so I'll create a pod YAML. So one pod is created. If I want to create another pod, so I'll edit that file. I'll edit that file. So I'll edit it too. So of pod is 1. So once again we'll check K get resource, K describe resource code. So here whatever things is there is utilized, this will exceed. So when I apply pod YAML file, so this forbidden creating the pod YAML pod. So this is fact. So we have not created config map, but automatically it is created by default. So you are seeing here config map. Okay. So we have understand that resource quota, and thank you so much for your love and support. We are moving slowly, but we'll touch each topic and maybe same topic video will be created twice because sometime I'm not able to express myself very well. So thank you, and thank you so much for your love and support.